It's also possible to do a family search in combination with, for example, a word search. So, for example, you want to find out all delusion rubrics of a family. So, for example, the Solanacea, or all aggravations of a certain family. So, let's start. I press on the keyboard the F4, or you can click here on the search icon. In the simple search window, I start to type. For example, I want to find all rubrics with the word pregnancy of the Logianacea. So I type pregnancy and I press enter, and then Logianacea, and the item indicated as APG2 I select by pressing enter. I press enter again and it starts. Okay, you see I have now 55 rubrics with a combination of a word and a family. So let me delete. The same I could also do here from the guided search or the advanced search. Let me click on it. Here it works a bit differently. I start to type here the word, for example, pregnancy. There it is. I press enter, and in the box families I type the name, so Logianacea, and again I select the one with the APG2. Of course I can also select one of the others. I press enter, again enter, enter, and it starts, and I have 55 rubrics found. Okay, let me do the following search. I click here on clear. I go back here to my simple search, and I want to find, for example, all rubrics of itching for a certain family. So I type itch, enter, then Solanacea. I press enter to select the correct one. I press enter and it starts. And here it is, 214 symptoms found. Now, of course, you can combine this with, for example, rubric size, a maximum rubric size, or a search area. So let's do first a search area. I click here on the synthesis and I go to, for example, the chapter head. So I type HEA, enter, enter, and I drag here the chapter to the search area icon. Oh, first let me put here my synthesis to full repertory. Okay, I have something in the search area. I can select another chapter in the search area. And when I click here on the top of the search, I open my same search and it's not deleted. If I would have pressed on the F4 or clicked on the search button, I would have come in this search window fully cleared. So now here at the top, I need to select search in the current search area. Okay, I do that. The search automatically starts. And it takes a moment, and you see I only have found now 7 symptoms in only the chapter head. Okay, so you could do the following. You could find for a remedy, for example, all the dreams and all the delusions. Now, of course, I could type here delusion, enter, and then Solanacea, but that will find all word combinations. So the family Solanacea in combination with the word delusion. Let me press enter to start the search. Sorry, I forgot. I have still active search in the current area. So let me do here the current document. And it starts again. And I find 533 delusion rubrics. But as you see, these are delusion rubrics, but it has also found here, for example, a few delirium rubrics. And let me see if there's something else. If I go down. Yes, here at the end, there are also some other rubrics, which are not located in the main rubric delusions, which also have the word delusions. Now, if you purely only want to search within the section of delusions, you have to do the following. Let me now here clear this search. I go to synthesis, I type mind delusions, enter, enter, and I drag the rubric delusions to the search area. Let me open the search area and clear the section head, remove it. Okay, I have now only in the search area the delusions. Well, let's make an example that I also include the dreams. So I type dreams, enter, enter. I drag the chapter dreams also to the search area. Now I open my search window again and I start to type here Solana Seya, enter, and when I press enter again, no, I need to select here use the current search area. Okay, I select it, there it goes, and in one go I will have found all delusion rubrics. And let me go down, it's a long list. I have found here all the dreams. Now let me clear it. Now the same type of searches you can do also here in the advanced or the guided search window. Here you can select words in combination with a family, or I could also apply these boxes in combination with the search area. So let me do one more. I type here itch, enter. I select the family Asteliaceae, enter, enter, again enter, and it starts my search. And I've only found here a mind delusion and dreams because I still have here active search in the current search area. Now if I want to expand my search to the whole repertoire, I just change here and I switch to the current document. It does the search again, and you see I have now 2732 rubrics found. Okay, I think this was it.